Hello and welcome back to Trend Tech Guide. Today I'll show you how to see the 30-day views on Social Blade without needing to log in. Simply open your web browser and go to socialblade.com. Enter the username or channel name you want to check in to the search bar. On the profile page, scroll down to the monthly stats section where you'll find the estimated views for the past 30 days, displayed without requiring any login or subscription. Social Blade offers this basic data for free, making it easy to track channel performance quickly. If you want more detailed analytics, logging in or subscribing is necessary, but for quick checks, no account is needed. If this helped you, please like, subscribe to Trend Tech Guide and hit the bell icon for more simple tech tutorials. Have questions? Drop them in the comments. I'm here to help.